Hello and welcome to 25 Hours Dubai. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my corner suite, my corner junior suite, room 4023. It has the most amazing view, which I'm going to show you at the end. So it's an open plan space. I've just walked in. There's your exposed wardrobe, big jewel vanity space, toilet in through here to the left, and then this lovely standalone bathing area with your standalone tub, two showers, and toiletries courtesy of the Swiss brand Sodair. Sodair or something like that. I don't really know how to pronounce it. Mini bar over here, it's complimentary. You get soft drinks, water, some crisps. There's the bed. It's comfortable. Not really much else to say about it other than that. I'm just noticing little knickknacks here and there. There's a Polaroid camera apparently, postcards on display, and little curios up on the shelves as well. I also quite like the plush camel, which is looking very uncomfortable at the moment. I will untangle that in a sec. More displays there. You can see they're cleaning the windows at the moment. They did have a sign up, so I've kind of timed this a little bit badly. Oh, and there's my hammock. I better show you the view quite quickly. Come take a look. It is amazing. It's the Museum of the Future. This is one of my favorite buildings in Dubai, and it looks incredibly beautiful at night as well when it's illuminated from within. So that's it. That's a quick tour of this junior suite, corner suite with Museum of the Future view at 25 Hours Dubai.